Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. I want to explain a quick one, factors and multiples. Do you understand the difference between factors and multiples? I'll make it very clear to you in this short video. Now let's start with factors. What are factors? Factors are actually the numbers that can divide another number without a remainder. So if I have a number that can divide another number and there is no remainder, that number is a factor. So these are all the numbers that can divide another number without giving a remainder. For example, say we have 8. Now you notice that the factors of 8 are those numbers that can divide 8 without yielding a remainder, which could include, the factors could include 2. 2 can divide 8. Let's start with 1. 1 can divide 8, no remainder. 2 can divide 8, no remainder. 4 can divide 8, no remainder. 8 can also divide 8. So these are the factors, the numbers that can divide that number without yielding a remainder. Now, in my next video, I'll teach you a short way of finding factors, but I'm just explaining in this video. So these are factors. Now, what are multiples? Multiples are numbers that are obtained by multiplying that number by integers that increase by 1. Or you can say multiples are numbers obtained by counting a number in steps. For example, we want to find the multiples of 8. The multiples of 8 can be gotten by multiplying 8 by integers. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24, and so on. So 8, 16, 24, and so on are the multiples of 8, different from factors. So one of the things you should know about factors is that the factors of a number would always be less than or equal to that number. Just like you can see 1, 2, 4, and 8, less than or equal to that number. But the multiples of a number would be greater than or equal to that number. Just like you can see 8 is a multiple of 8, 16 is a multiple of 8, 24, and so on. Another thing you should know about factors is that the factors of a number are finite. That is to say, the factors have an end. But the multiples of a number is infinite. It continues. It does not really have an end. Then finally, you should also know that 0 is not a factor of a number, while 0 is a multiple of every number. Thanks for watching this prime concept.